Most men don't become weak overnight. They become predictable. They start doing small things socially, emotionally, mentally that signal one message to the world: I can be pushed. And the worst part, they don't even notice it. In this video, I'll break down 7 habits that make a man look weak without him realizing, and exactly what to replace them with, so you build respect without begging for it. Stay to the end because habit #7 is the one that quietly ruins your reputation the fastest. Let's get something clear. This isn't about being loud, aggressive, or alpha. That's insecurity wearing a costume. Real strength is calm. It's consistent. It has boundaries. Weakness, on the other hand, is not a personality trait. It's a pattern. It's what happens when your behavior teaches people they can treat you however they want because you'll tolerate it. Let's cut the habits. Habit 1: you over-explain everything. A man who over-explains is a man who's asking for permission. You cancel a plan and you send a paragraph. You set a boundary and you add 5 reasons. You say no, and then you start defending your no like you're in court. Here's the truth: the more you explain, the more you look unsure. And when you look unsure, people feel invited to negotiate. Over-explaining signals: I'm afraid you won't approve. I need you to understand before I stand my ground. I'm not confident in my decision. What to do instead? Use short, clean statements. Examples: I can't make it. We'll do it another time. That doesn't work for me. No, I'm not available for that. No extra details. No apology marathon. You're not rude. You're clear. Clarity looks strong. Explanations look like fear. Habit 2: you laugh things off that should be addressed. This is the nice guy reflex. Someone disrespects you and you smile. Someone makes a joke at your expense and you chuckle like it's fine. Inside, you feel it. Your chest tightens. Your energy drops. But you don't say anything because you don't want to be too serious. What you're really doing is training people to treat you like a target. Because if you laugh off disrespect, you're basically saying, you can do that again. What to do instead? Don't explode. Don't insult. Just correct it calmly. Say, don't say it like that. I'm not the one. We're not joking like that. Then move on. No drama. Strong men don't make everything a war. But they also don't pretend disrespect is comedy. Habit 3: you seek approval before you act. A weak man asks the room how to live. A strong man checks his values and moves. If you constantly ask, what do you think? Is this okay? Do you agree? Do you think I should? You're not being thoughtful. You're outsourcing your backbone. Approval seeking makes you look unsure, and unsure people get controlled. Because anyone who can give you validation can take it away. What to do instead? Make decisions privately, then announce them briefly. A good rule: consult mentors for strategy, not random people for permission. Strong men don't need applause to move. They move, and let results speak. Habit 4: you react emotionally to every test. People will test you, not always maliciously, sometimes unconsciously. They interrupt, they challenge, they tease, they push your boundaries. A weak man reacts instantly. He gets defensive. He raises his voice. He starts proving himself. He argues to win. That behavior screams, I'm emotionally controllable. And once people learn they can trigger you, they'll keep doing it because it gives them power. What to do instead? Pause. Slow down. Use calm responses. Try, let me finish. We're not doing this. I heard you. Here's my decision. I'm not arguing about that. The pause is the power. A man who can control his emotional tempo controls the room. Habit 5. You talk big, but your life doesn't match. This habit destroys respect faster than almost anything. You speak like a man with standards, but you live like a man with excuses. You talk about discipline, but you're inconsistent. You talk about loyalty, but you chase attention. You talk about growth, but you avoid effort. Men who brag without proof look weak because they're trying to borrow status with words. And people can feel it. What to do instead? Reduce talking. Increase receipts. Let your actions become your introduction. Train consistently. Show up on time. Keep your word. Build something quietly. Confidence doesn't need marketing. Weakness does. Habit 6. You let people waste your time. Time is your real status. A man with no boundaries around his time looks like a man with no priorities. If people can call you anytime, dump problems on you, change plans last minute, keep you waiting, drag you into pointless conversations, then they start seeing you as available, not valuable. A weak man is always reachable. A strong man is reachable on his terms. What to do instead? Set time boundaries without guilt. Say, I've got 5 minutes. I'm not available for that. Schedule it. Don't freestyle it. I'm heading out. And here's a brutal truth. If you don't protect your time, you don't respect yourself. And if you don't respect yourself, nobody else will. Habit 7. You avoid direct conversations and hide behind silence. This one is misunderstood, so listen carefully. Silence can be powerful when it's controlled. But most men don't use silence as strength. They use it as avoidance. They don't address issues. They disappear instead of communicating. They hope problems go away. They tolerate resentment until it becomes passive aggression. That doesn't make you stoic. That makes you scared. Avoiding direct conversations makes you look weak because you're showing people you can't handle discomfort. And a man who can't handle discomfort can't lead his life, his relationships, or his reputation. What to do instead? Have short, direct conversations early before the problem grows teeth. Use this structure. Name the behavior. When you cancel last minute, state the impact. It wastes my time. Set the boundary. If it happens again, I won't make plans. Or I'm not okay with that. Don't repeat it. This needs to change. Here's what I will accept. Direct doesn't mean disrespectful. Direct means honest. And honesty makes you look like a man with a spine. Let's recap the 7 habits that make a man look weak without him realizing. Over-explaining. Laughing off disrespect. Seeking approval before acting. Reacting emotionally to tests. Talking big without matching actions. Letting people waste your time. Avoiding direct conversations. Now here's the key. You don't fix weakness by feeling confident. You fix weakness by changing what you tolerate and what you repeat. Pick one habit from this list that exposed you the most. Cut it today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Because the fastest way to become stronger is simple. Stop practicing weakness. Comment the number 1 to 7. Which habit are you cutting first? And if you want part 2, exact phrases and stoic routines to build respect without aggression, subscribe.